Hello guys, welcome to the channel The Data Dude. This is the part 2 of our video series Python for Data Science. So let's get started. So guys, now let's see the INC rules for variable. INC stand for International Naming Convention. So give me a moment. So first name can be alphanumeric. Like we can write at a variable name cust 1 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. This is a valid name, variable name. Names can be alphanumeric, but we can't use one cust. Sorry guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we run this, we'll get an error. So first we need to use alphabets, then we can use numeric. No special characters allowed except underscore. We can use only underscore in a variable name. Names can start with characters or underscore. That's why this when we execute this command we get an error because we can't name start with characters. With numbers. No default keyword, no limit on number of characters. So this is what a variable naming convention is all about. Let's go and let's look at the data type of our basic Python. So as there is different languages and different languages different types of data or data types. So first data type is string, str or string. Second is float, which is decimal numbers. Okay, let me give an example as well. Right, A to Z names, that's called strings. Float is decimal numbers, 2.5, 5.66666, 8.972. These are called float. The third one is int. Int stands for integer or the whole numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And the last one is called bool, which is boolean. Boolean can be true or false. So these are the basic 4 data types of basic Python. Let's see. A equal to Python. We assigned A equals to Python. Now if we saw the data type, the type of A, it's a string. The same if we can type B equal to 12.5, C equals to 56, D equals to true. Now if we print different type of these different B comma type of C comma type of D, we can print because we want to see all together. C is not defined. Sorry, we have to run this. Now if we see, type of B is float, type of C is int, and type of D is bool, which is boolean. So these are the four basic data types. Now let's move to the operators available in Python. So there are 5 type of, or we can say 6 type of operators. First is assignment operator. So you already seen, if we want to assign 7 to A, what we use, equal to sign. So we will assign 7 to A. This is called assignment operator, which is equal to B equal to 8. We can assign that. C C equal to data science. So this equal is an assignment operator. We can assign any value to any variable through this operator. So let's talk about arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are those which perform arithmetic operations, right? So let's say this is addition, this is subtraction, multiplication, division. No, sorry, it's not division. This one is division. After this is a floor division, which will drop any fractional remainder, and this is raise a to power b. Let's see a basic examples of it, then we'll follow. So like 8 plus 9, 17 plus of 9 minus 8, subtraction, multiply by 8, multiplication, division, floor division, which will and this is the a to power b, 3, 8. All good, guys? So now let's move to the next operators, which is arithmetic plus assignment operators. So give me a minute. Arithmetic and assignment operators. So what are this for? Like put a equals to 8. Now let me run this. A plus equals to 1. If we are going to print A What you guys guess? What can be the answer? Right, it's 9. So what does it mean? A equals to A plus 1. In short, we can write this A plus equals to 1. Same as A minus equals to 1, which means A equal to A minus 1. Same as A multiply equal to 1, which means A equal to A multiply by 1, and the same. So guys, let's move to the next operator, which are relational, conditional, or comparison operator. In these, output is always boolean. Let's check. So 7 is greater than 9. False. So what are the result? It's a boolean value, true or false. This is greater, 0 is lesser than 9, true. Now if you want to compare two values, like 9 is equal to 8, is this equal? No, it's false. Now if we compare 9 is not equal to 9, false. If we compare 9 is not equals to 5, it's true. Now let's look at two more operators, which is greater equal or lesser equal. So 7 is greater equal to 9. So this condition told you that it holds true if 7 is greater or equal to 9. So if we put here 10, then it will hold true. The same as 7 is lesser or equal to 9. That holds true. Okay guys, hope you got it. So these are the relational single valued operator. Now the next is in not in. It's like I have a 1 in 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 5. True. If we need to find any value in a list or in a stored container, we can look for it. Like 2 in not in, sorry, 1 comma 2 comma 3. False, because it is available in this list. These are the multi-valued operators. Now it's time for logical or boolean. So logical operators, you already know guys, and or not. We will see more on these and or not in the upcoming lectures. For now you can notice that these three operators are generally available in logical operators. Right. Okay guys, that's it for today's session. We'll talk about control flow statements and data